Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. In this video, I'll be guiding you through how to add a missing place on Google Maps. If you've ever come across a missing place on Google Maps, whether it's a new business, restaurant, or your favorite hidden spot that isn't listed, then here is how you can add that missing place to Google Maps. So let's get started. First of all, open up Google Maps application on your device and make sure that your app is updated if you're using mobile so you have the latest feature. Now, go ahead and search the area where the missing place is located on the map. After you do that, press and hold in that area in order to drop a pin. Now, in the box at the bottom, go ahead and tap on Add a Missing Place. Now you can place the details in the text boxes. Select the name of the place, choose the category of the place, whether it is food and drink, shopping, hotels and accommodations, and much more. And then you can also edit the map location if it needs to be edited. After filling in all the details, tap the submit button at the bottom right corner. Once all the details are filled out, and after hitting the submit, your place will now be sent to Google for review. It may take a few days for the changes to appear on the map, so be patient. And after you are done, a notification will pop up saying your place is under review, and that's it. You have successfully added a missing place to Google Maps. After the review is done and once it is approved, it will show up for everyone to see in the maps. And that way you will be able to help other people discover the place as well. I hope this video helped you. Add a missing place on Google Maps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.